Hello students, in today's class we will see the problem on rank of a matrix. The problem is reduce the matrix to row echelon form and find its rank. The given matrix is 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 7, 13, 8, 4, minus 3, minus 1. Solution of this problem will see now.
Hello students, the problem is reduce the matrix to row echelons form and find its rank. The given matrix is 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 7, 13, 8, 4, minus 3, minus 1. So this is a given matrix. So solution for this matrix will say matrix A equal to 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 7, 13, and last row is 8, 4, minus 3, minus 1. So once we given the name to the matrix, then we'll think of all the first elements of all the rows. So first element of first row is 2, second row element is 4, 8, 2, but here no element is having what here first element as 1. So after 1, which is the lowest number, next number is we can consider among this 2, 4, 8, 8. So lowest number is 2 itself. So we'll start with 2 and we can convert this given matrix to what here echelons form. So what our row here, this having a 4 cross 4 matrix, so having the diagonal element 2, 2, 7, minus 1. So therefore 4, 8, 8, 4, 4, minus 3, we have to this elements. So these all elements we have to make what here 0. So below this diagonal element, all elements we have to make what here 0. So therefore first element we have to make 0 is what here I am highlighting here 4. So this element we have to make 0. So for this belongs to row number 2. So therefore on row 2 we need to operate as what here R2 minus 2 times R1. 2 times R1. If you multiply 2 to the first row, so it will become, first element will become 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So therefore this formula will execute here. So therefore on simplification, matrix A, so first row will become what here 2, 1, 3, 5. So therefore R2, that is 4, minus 2 into 2, 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Then you remember this elements will become what here 4, 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So these are the elements you need to remember here. Next elements 2 minus 2 into 2 is what here 2. So 2 minus 2 is what here again 0. Next 1 minus 2 3s are 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Then 3 minus 2 into 5 is 10. So 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Now the same formula, that is R2 minus 2 times R1, I will type here and I will show you these results are correct or no. So R2 I will consider as capital X and R1 I will consider as Y. So therefore alpha X minus 2 times alpha Y and calc option is there. So you can use calc option. Then it will ask the value of what here X. So X value is from the matrix. This once I will generate it. So this is our X value. This is X rows and this is Y rows. X value is 4. Then y value is 2, and you can find the answer is 0, which is matching here. Fine. Next, x value is 2, then y value is 1, then answer is what here? 0. You can find here. So second element value is what here? 0. Next, x value is 1, so x value is 1, then y value is what here? 3. So answer is -5. So that answer we are getting here. Then x value is 3, then y value is 5. Answer is -7. We getting the answer -7. So either you can press the same formula in calculator, or you can go for manual. Anyone you will work out, but see that the elements after subtraction or addition, it's supposed to be exactly same. No mistake should be done here. Now next we'll think of simultaneously we can work out in the same matrix. So next element I want to eliminate this 8. So to eliminate this 8, I will write the formula. This row belongs to R3. So on R3 we need to multiply with row 1 only. So therefore R3 minus, so to make 8 here we need to multiply 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So therefore I will write 4 into R1. So once you write this formula 4 into R1, so our third row here will come 8 minus 8 is 0, then 4 minus 8, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 4, it will become 0, because 4 minus 4 into 1 is 4, so 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 7 minus 4 3s are 12, so 7 minus 12 is -5. Next, 13 minus 5. So x is how much here? 13. So x value is 13, that is R3 is 13 and R1 is 5. So therefore how much here? So 13 minus 4 5s are 20. 13 minus 20, it is nothing but -7. Next, again fourth row also we can make this element also 0 on applying the formula R4 is equal to, that is R4 minus same formula again, that is 4 times R1. So elements will be, so 8 minus 8 is what here? 0. Then 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 will be what here? 0. Then -3, minus of 4 3s are 12, so it will be -3 here, then minus times 4 3s are 12, so -3 minus 12, it will become -15. And next is -1, minus of 4 5s are 20, so it will be 21, -21. So once we got, just see here, this both the rows are are having the same elements. So next here what I can say here, so -15 and 21 you can reduce it, or else let it be. So we'll see. So these are the diagonal elements, you can see. So in this diagonal element, these are our diagonal elements. So below this diagonal element we have to make 0, so we have to make this element also 0. So first we'll make this element 0, so that so 15. So to make this element 0 on R4, so R4 minus, so how much the 15 here? So I will apply on R3, so 3 into R4 plus 3 times R3. So we need to make a formula. So to make this element 0, so 15 minus plus into minus is again minus, so minus, so you just make this is a minus sign only, because -15 minus plus, so 5 is a 15, so -15 plus 15 will become 0. So therefore our matrix is matrix A equal to 2 1 3 5 0 0 -5 -7 0 0 -5 -7 So this R4 0 0, so here also will become 0. So minus 15, here you write minus 15, then minus of minus plus, 5 3s are 15, so it will become 0. Then minus 21, minus of minus plus, 7 3s are 21, so it will become also 0 again. So these two rows are same, so we can operate here also. So on R3, so possible of making 0. So on R3 minus R2 if you make, so what we'll get here? First row 2 1 3 5, second row 0 0 minus 5 minus 7, and on R3, so what happens here? 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 5 minus of minus plus, so it is 0, minus 7 minus of minus plus 7, it will become 0. Last row is already 0, so write as it is. So you can see here, so these are the last operations on this matrix. So again we cannot reduce this matrix, so we have two rows having zeros and two rows having elements. So therefore I can say that the rank of matrix A is nothing but two rows having elements, means R2 is equal to 2. Rank of A is equal to 2, because here third row having completely 0, fourth row completely 0, only first two row having the elements. So therefore these two having the elements means that's the rank 2. So third row is 0, fourth row is 0, we have to leave it. So only two rows having elements which are nothing but non-zero rows of the matrix A, so therefore rank of the matrix is 2. So in this way we need to find the matrix, we need to find a rank of the given matrix using Equinox form. So we have converted first, this is the Equinox form, then we have again subtracted these two rows possible to make 0. So therefore in this way we need to conclude a problem here.